So I got this fishing, or I got this sled that never gets used in the wintertime, so I decided to make it a boat. Well, let's see if it'll work.
You think it's gonna work?
Yeah, pretty sure.
Woo!
Here. Oh,
Okay.
I got. There's a high spot on this one. Come on, keep pulling. Woo!
Want your rope back?
Already.
Here, take your rope.
Rope.
Mm.
It'd be so much easier if I had a double-sided oar. Or a trolling motor.
Well, you're doing the best with what you got, so I mean that's good.
I had a stabilizing fin.
Is this what you're gonna do for fishing now?
Maybe. But I'm gonna need a trolling motor made of a fish.
So what now? You wanna go further out? Tip over, go swimming? Don't lose that oar.
We have a seat.
You're coming in quick.
Yeah, I think it worked.
Don't tip over.
There's a seaplane.
That's cool. Why would a seaplane be on Black Duck Lake?
Don't ask me, I don't own it.
Pretty sure these guys think we're crazy. Why are you going over there?
Because I can get in closer before I beat you.
I don't think so. Well, if you step right there, you'll be fine. I mean, hey, I can walk in this far with tennis shoes, so you can step right there.
Then again, these are waterproof.